Amazon CloudWatch. Amazon CloudWatch is a monitoring service which basically monitor and observe, built-in for DevOps engineer, developer, site reliability and IT manager. It provides the matrices and to check the health of the resource as well as to maintain the logs. What are the benefits? Observability on a single platform across application and infrastructure, easiest way to collect matrices in AWS and on-premises, improve operational performance and resource optimization, get operational visibility and insight, derive actionable insights from logs. So how it works? Basically, if we take this diagram, so Amazon CloudWatch collect, then monitor, act and finally analyze. So first, complete visibility into your cloud resources and application. Then next, collect matrices and logs from all the AWS resources. Monitor, visualize application and infrastructure with CloudWatch dashboard. Act, automate response to operational changes with CloudWatch event and auto scaling. And analyze. So it is basically used for application monitoring, system-wide visibility, resource optimization, unified operational health. So for that, sign into AWS Management Console, search for CloudWatch service from all services, and this shows the dashboard of CloudWatch where it shows the number of resources, its utilization, health, different logs. So everything is going to visualize, as well as we can set the alarm. Now the alarm can be set to storage or CPU utilization or to any other services, so that if it crosses the threshold value, then the AWS responsibility is to raise the alarm. Similarly, it maintains the log, matrices, events, container insight, service lanes, lambda insight, synthesis. So in this way, we can have different options or feature related to Amazon CloudWatch, which helps in monitoring and observing the performance as well as the health of the AWS resources.